This is a special cooker, OPOS, one pot, one shot. Its quantity is 2.5 liters. So we are going to use all these ingredients to prepare a very simple, basic, very nutritious cabbage, green peas and beans plus some masalas which I will explain as we go. First let us load the cooker with quarter cup of water. Then in goes 1 cup of cabbage, and beans and peas, which is washed thoroughly 3 times. You will get at least 2 3/4 cups of good vegetables, steamed vegetables. Now we are going to load the masalas. This is ground coconut and 4 green chillies. And you're going to add salt, half teaspoon salt on top. Don't spread it, just add it on top. Now we will see the later process of cooking it on induction stove. Now we are ready to put the lid on the cooker. And now we are going to put the weight also. This is the speciality of this cooker. And now we are going to power the induction stove. You have seen how we have put it on. Then menu, you don't have to select a menu. Go to the down button, press the wattage that you want to, the power, high power. Now you can see 1400 is the power that I have put. And then there is a timer of 5 minutes. This timer is what safeguards us. But in 5 minutes time, if we get 4 whistles or minimum 3 whistles, then you can put off the induction stove. Put off the cooking and then immediately release the pressure and see how nicely it has been cooked. The cabbage, steamed cabbage or vegetable with beans and peas is ready with your masalas. What is that masala? It is grated coconut, a few curry leaves and 3 green chillies ground together coarsely, roughly, and added on top of the vegetable. You should not mix anything. First water, that's the first layer, then the mixed vegetables, then the coconut grating masala that you have added, and then you have put the salt. I have put only half teaspoon salt and put on the induction stove, and we are going to wait. It's 4 minutes left and you will see the whistle coming through in no time at all. At 3 minutes itself you can hear the whistles go. You wait for about 3 or max 4 whistles and you're done. And you can put off the steam is building up inside the cooker because it's high pressure cooker, and this gasket is made of silicone, not your ordinary rubber gasket which is black in color. This is bright green in color and it can withstand a lot more heat. That is the reason why this cooker is different from your ordinary cooker. But I bought this cooker maybe 5 years back So I don't know if this model is available or not, but some new models have come. Let's wait for the whistle. It's building up. One whistle. Two minutes left. This is the second whistle. Let's stop at 3 whistles. I'll wait for the third whistle. Let us put off. So in 4 minutes, we have got the cooking, steaming down. We can remove the knob. The beauty of this cooker is you can release the pressure immediately after 3 whistles. But be careful, there will be hot air escaping. So you need to, now you just have a look at the done vegetable. It is steamed, it has not lost color, it's retained its color. Actually, one should say that it is brighter than when we put it in. All the vegetables appear green and bright. Now all you've got to do is to transfer it to a mixing bowl and stir it nicely, because the salt has to spread evenly. Even otherwise, because of the steamed thing, the salt would have been absorbed by all the vegetables very equally. Now finally I'll show you. இது மேலே வச்சுக்கோ, இதை எடுத்துடுங்க. Now this is the mixing bowl that we have. You can just tilt it in and mix it. Voila! Your steamed vegetable is ready. Either mix panna porum. Yeah. Now the mixing is done. You can transfer it to a nice serving dish and enjoy. This vegetable preparation time took maybe 10 minutes to chop all the vegetables, peel the green peas, pods, and here you can see within 5 minutes, you can say within 4 minutes, your dish is ready. The mixing, serving bowl and all that may take additional 5 minutes. Enjoy. And one more thing I would like to add is, I usually boil the vegetables without any masalas in a half cup of water and filter it out. I mean, the vegetable stock that I get from cabbage, beans and peas, I use it to prepare a soup, a cabbage soup, adding a lot more water, salt to taste and pepper, black pepper, and then serve the soup as well. So 2 in 1 can be done. Thank you for watching.